Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about the product and quotient rule for derivatives. Here's our formulas up at the top. Here's our example problems. Our first formula is for the product rule, where it tells us that the derivative of two functions times each other is equal to our original term, two of them, where we differentiate the first function in the first one and the second function in the second one. And we can think about it that way because with three functions you get the same thing, you just differentiate the third one on the third term. Quotient rule is very similar. We get differentiate the first term times the second term or the bottom term first, just regular, minus our original top term times the differential of the bottom term. But we divide by the square of the bottom term. No prime, nothing, just the square of that. So let's hop into some examples. X squared ln x. Let's differentiate. Well, we know that this is going to be we differentiate x squared first times ln x, and then we're going to differentiate ln x and times it by regular x squared. So we've got x squared prime is just 2x. We bring the 2 down by 1 on the exponent, regular ln x plus our regular x squared times, and we remember from the last video, the prime of ln x is just 1 over x. Let's simplify this to 2x ln x plus x. Boom. Product rule, very easy. Quotient rule, on the other hand, a little tougher, not that bad. I promised you guys I would show you why tan x differentiates to secant squared of x. Let's see why it happens. Well, we can notice that this actually equals sine of x over cos of x. We all know that. Everyone knows that. Everyone and their moms know that tan of x equals sine of x over cos of x. Let's differentiate sine of x. What's that? Cos of x. Remember that from last video. Times our regular cos of x from the bottom. Minus, what's our original top function? Sine of x. What's the differential of cosine of x? That's negative sine of x. Over, what's our bottom function squared? Cosine squared of x. Now, this doesn't look like secant squared of x to me yet, but let's do this. This is cosine squared of x. Cosine x times cosine x. These two minuses cancel, plus sine squared of x over cosine squared of x. What is cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x? Let's use our little friend, the Pythagorean theorem. That's 1. This is 1 over cosine squared of x. What does that equal? That's right. Secant squared of x. Now that's exciting. And with that, that's the product and quotient rules, everybody. Have a great day.